Hello, my name is Ryan Bowser. I'm with MTEK Weapon Systems today, and I wanted to show you a little about the Predator Fast Facial Armor System, G3A, and the Predator Fast G3C Soft Armor System. What we have is a ballistic facial and maxillofacial protection that was designed originally for turret gunners, mounted positions, things of that nature. It's rated at an NIJ 3A level. It'll stop 9mm 44 mag and a V50 ballistic frag protection that is equal to or exceeds the currently issued helmet. You can see, as Mr. Walker will demonstrate, it attaches and detaches very simply. On and off in a matter of a second. We actually have the two different versions for multiple missions. It's scalable armor basically and can be interchanged at any time. The hard, rigid ballistic version, again for the mounted positions, things like that. For high frags, used for IEDs, things like that. We've actually stopped 7.62 by 39 at 25 feet with this specific version. Then we have a soft version, mainly designed for the Marine Corps or anybody who might be doing a foot patrol. We made it soft so that you could acquire cheek weld, sight alignment, sight picture, things of that nature, and still have some sort of facial, maxillofacial protection. It attaches exactly the same. Within a second, you can have it on or off. Just that simple. As far as are these compatible is a question we get very often. Are they compatible with the type of gear that's out there right now? The standard issue ESS goggles, totally compatible with that. There's about 30 different versions of eye protection out there that soldiers and Marines are using, all the way up from a sunglass style to a full goggle style. So far, we have yet to find one that it doesn't work with. It is also compatible with NVGs, comm gear. There's a lot of different variations of comm gear that's out there, but MSA high threats, the bows, most of the currently issued communications gear that's out there works just fine. I'd like to demonstrate a little bit about how far off the face the mask actually sits. There's enough room, go ahead and turn. There's enough room depending on the size of your face. You can use a camelback inside there. You can fit your fingers up inside through there. So it doesn't actually sit right on top of your face. There is a little bit of room in there. You can go ahead and pop that off. Again, just demonstrated the VersaRail mount system. You can see it will attach to pretty much any currently issued helmet and any size of helmet right now with no modifications to the helmet. The kit comes with obviously the armor, but then you get the VersaRail mounting system and a set of ballistic bolts of multiple sizes to work with any individual or different mounting system, suspension system rather. The VersaRail mounting system is complete custom design. It was set to have a similar rail system for attachments, IR systems, light systems, pretty much anything you want to attach to the VersaRail system, you can or will be able to later down the road with multiple attachments. And again, you'll see it goes on very quickly. And pretty much compatible with anything we've tried to use it with. The Predator Fast G3C, the soft facial armor system, was actually developed not so much for a mounted position rather, but for maybe a foot patrol, for high profile warrants, for anybody else that still needs facial protection, but will also need to utilize small arms instead of a crew serve weapon or something of that nature. As you can see here, he can go ahead and sight in on a target and still get that ever crucial cheek weld when the time for precision marksmanship is more important than something like a crew served weapon. So there's flexibility in it, but there's actually some support built into this mask that helps it keep its rigidity and help keep its form. So it's not just a solid piece of soft armor, and it's not a totally flexible piece of soft armor. There's pieces in there that make it hold true to its form, but it is flexible enough that you can go ahead and acquire a cheek weld and get that good sight picture, sight alignment when you're trying to do any kind of precision marksmanship.